We have 5 research lab spaces here in Werner, 1 in the Cardiac Center and 1 in Chris, that are used by our faculty, staff, and students for their research projects. Our spaces are mostly used by the physical therapy and exercise science departments, but we also collaborate with others on and off campus and around the world. The Cyvex immediately inside our window is used to test strength and can be used on all joints of the body. We can integrate this with our EMG systems to look at muscle electrical signals. A similar strength device is also located in the gait analysis lab. The big plates you see in the ground are force plates, which are essentially fancy bathroom scales used to look at the force put into the ground during jumping, running, or walking. The ball in the ceiling allows us to give a target to our participants to pull out their best jumping performance, as well as the tape across the floor, which are used for different jumping tests. Embedded in the ground is a dual-belted instrumented treadmill. This treadmill has force plates under each belt, and each belt can move independently from each other, giving us the ability to adjust speed on either side. Both the Human Performance and Gait Analysis research labs feature marker and markerless motion capture systems. These systems are the same that are used in animated movies and video games to record motion. We utilize them to assess joint angles, accelerations, and torques. The Human Performance Lab also features a PQCT device. This is an X-ray machine that allows us to look at bone density. Through the doors, you'll see our Vertec balance device. This is used to assess all aspects of a person's balance, including vision, proprioception, and their vestibular system. We can use the device to determine what part of balance is creating issues for individuals and then play games to help improve balance. This device has a force plate embedded in the platform that senses the shifts in body weight. We can use this across the age spectrum from our pediatrics all the way to our geriatric populations. The Gait Lab houses a leg press machine as well. This can be integrated with multiple feedback tools that can be used to assess the speed of participants' movements. The Gait Lab has 8 force plates embedded in the ground, which allow multiple foot contacts as participants walk across the floor or can be utilized individually. Feedback screens are located around all of our lab spaces to allow participants to see results instantaneously and adjust their performance. A musculoskeletal ultrasound is also located in the Gait Lab. This can be used to look at a muscle's orientation, fiber alignment, blood flow, and differences between tissue types. In the ceiling of the Gait Lab is a 0G body weight support system. This was the third of its kind installed in the world. This device can be used to protect against falls or can be used to hold a determined amount of body weight for those who cannot fully support their body weight. It can be integrated with treadmill, stairs, or obstacles on the floor to adjust the difficulty for our patients. The Vestibular Research Lab houses our 6 Degrees of Freedom motion platform that can be used while standing or seated and has a force plate integrated into the platform. This is used for our vestibular balance testing. Also located in this lab is an IC cam, which provides quick and objective measures of the vestibular ocular reflex. It efficiently assesses the dizzy patient and determines if the dizziness is related to a vestibular disorder. Our Motor Behavior and Play Lab is our pediatric space. Our researchers assess children with autism and cerebral palsy, as well as neurotypically developing children. A changing table, mats, and toys are seen throughout the space. Motion sensors located in here are placed on children's arms and their head to track their movements. We also have a pair of eye-tracking goggles that are also found in this space. The Neuromuscular Research Lab houses our EEG system, which measures brainwave activity and is used to assess brain processing speed and working memory. Multiple computers are also located in this space for our students to use for data processing. The Stroke Research Lab is located in the Cardiac Center. This lab features an EMG system, a startle horn, a custom chair with embedded force transducers, a 3D printer, and a custom table used to assess shoulder and arm movement. The Translational Muscle Physiology Lab is located in the Chris building. This lab features a biodex, an EMG system, free weights, ultrasound, and a treadmill. The focus of this space is the optimization of exercise protocols to improve quality of life and longevity. Students across the university, from undergrads to doctoral degrees, assist with data collection, data processing, writing of manuscripts, presenting at local, national, and international conferences. Student involvement varies from observation to journal club involvement, assisting with pre-existing projects, or even taking on their own project. Each of our core faculty members here from the PT department has their own specialty in which they focus. Our faculty members are supported by our research staff who assist faculty and students with all aspects of their projects. For more information about our labs and to see our current lab updates, check out our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter pages.